Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am doing a what do you call this? A TEMU haul. I haven't done a TEMU haul in a minute, but I did purchase a few things, so I was like, you know what, we can make a quick video out of this because I'm slacking in content and I haven't done a haul in a minute. Some people like TEMU hauls, some people don't. It really is up to you. I got this package yesterday, I think? Anyway, I don't want to waste time talking. This is the bag. TEMU has not been the same as far as packaging is concerned. They used to give you the whole TEMU thing, but maybe they're doing that too so people don't steal your packages, because I don't know what's going on, but now, like, at least in my area, I don't know if everybody else that's happening, where like they steal packages now. So like certain packages, I don't even like to send them to my house anymore, and I send them to my PO box because it's like ridiculous. But anyway, let's get into it. So the first thing I got was actually like this back, like it's for the shower when you take a shower, but it's like a long scrubber thing. I'll link everything that I bought in the description, but to quickly show you guys what it is. Ooh. The whole back ripped. So yeah, it's just like a long thing, so you can get your back. And then it comes with different pieces. It comes with the loofah, and then it comes with the glove for the shower. So it's a 3-piece set thing. But yeah, the whole thing just popped open. That's crazy. But I think you're supposed to attach the loofah to it or something. I have to go see the picture. But yeah, I got another one of those because sometimes I like to have those for my back. And this is much softer. I don't always like the exfoliating one because it's a little rough on the skin. So that's why I got that. Next thing I got, what is this? I don't even remember what I bought. That's crazy. When you don't remember what you bought, that's another thing. Oh, this is an LED light. I bought another one because initial I got one from Five Below, but of course it's Five Below. But why is this is my thing with TEMU that they need to do better at. Why is the box all broken up like this? This is my issue. But anyway, this is a cube light, so it's supposed to be good for like if you go out, for example, right? If you go out, for example, and it's like, you know, the lighting in a restaurant or something is really dark. This is like a LED light. Yeah, they need to like take more care. They need to put fragile on this. Did they even put fragile on here? They did put fragile. Why is my box still broken? The packaging says fragile. But anyway, on the bag. Anyway, so there's like a little light. I'm not going to set it up right now, but I definitely want to try it out. Test it out like in the dark to see. This is what it looks like. Try not to drop it. And it comes with a USB plug, which I just dropped just now, but I'll organize this later. But yeah, I got one of those because I want to test it out, because the one that I got from Five Below broke, and then I had another one, but that one was, the light was very like minimal, wasn't that bright. This one I saw good reviews, so I'm gonna see how good that one is. The next thing I got was for the gym, because I use the same gym band every time I'm in the gym, so I got a set of 5. Oh, I got 5. So that now I can like interchange, and I have to keep on waiting to wash every week another band, or during the week depending on what I do. So I got a set of 5, just different colors. So it's like gray, burgundy, white, blue, and black. So it's like pretty much not bland colors, but neutral colors. That's it. So neutral tone colors. Okay, next thing, I just got a phone case that says God is within her. She will not fall. Psalms 46 verses 3. Alright. The next thing that I got is before I open the last big thing, I just want to make sure that's it. Oh yeah, so this is the last thing. I actually got this bag because I don't have one light brown bag. I try to have like a set of certain color bags that I can wear every day, but some bags I don't wear every day. I just wear it for like special occasion or something like that. So I wanted a bag that was still big enough that I could wear, but it's still, how do I say it? It's still a classy bag, and it's not like a tote bag, because sometimes I don't want to always wear a tote bag outside. So I wanted a cute bag that was still big enough that I could fit stuff if I go out. So I found this brown bag. It's a good size, I feel like, especially too sometimes if I carry my camera, if I want to vlog. So this is what the bag looks like. It's a dark brown bag. This is what it looks like. Oh no, it's matching my sweater. Brown on brown. And then inside it has, oh, I didn't know that. It comes with a little wallet pouch. So like if you want to put your little toiletries and stuff, like females, you know, we like to have our lip gloss and all that stuff. You can put it in the bag, inside your bag. And then it also just keeps it neat so you don't have little pieces of things inside. So yeah, I thought this is cute. Super cute bag. And I think it's big enough. I can even fit my water bottle and stuff like that. Because I feel like a lot of times my tote bags are the only bags that will fit, like if I want to take some water with me if I'm going out. The tote bag is the only one who fits. My other bags are more smaller, so it's like I have to hold the water in my hand. So this is a good sizing that I can still like wear a cute bag, but also not have to wear a tote bag. So that's why I really got this bag. But yeah, that concludes my Temu haul. So let me know what was your favorite item. This was a very small haul. I didn't go crazy. I just really try to get like essential items that I actually want and need, pretty much. But yeah, that concludes the haul. I'll leave everything down in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.